today I'm going to show you a demo of Salestrail product. Salestrail consists of two components. The first component is the application that you are seeing here, and the second component is the call analytics dashboard. So these two components, they work together correspondingly, and the app itself, it tracks the information of your calls. For example, duration, phone number, direction, outcome, and so on. We will store them in the cloud, and this dashboard is where you can access the data of your phone calls, and also this is where you can create reports, manage your team, share data with other team members, and so on. The application can also perform call recording. So if you have any recording, it will show up here. So now I will show you how Salestrail can track a phone call and then push the data to the dashboard. So let's say if I choose today and then I would like to see for myself all of the calls. So as you can see here, I have made 10 calls, out of which 8 are outbound and 2 are inbound. And this is my average duration. Now, if I want to make a phone call, I have the option of either making it from the application or from my own phone's keypad. Just a little heads up here. On iOS, we can only track the calls that you make using our dialer, which is the pink dialer right here. On the contrary, on Android, we are able to automatically track all of the phone calls regardless of where it originates. So let's say I want to make a phone call right now and I'm doing it from outside of the app. And I'm gonna use this keypad of mine and then I make this phone call. When I go back to the application, I can see that there is this call that I just made. It's an outbound call. It was answered, that's why it's green, and it has this arrow. And this is the phone number, this is the time, and this is the duration. The recording should last for 30 seconds because that's when I ended it. And you can listen to the recording from the application, or you can listen to the recording on the dashboard. Now, let's see how the numbers have changed on our dashboard. The number has changed to 11, 9, and 2. The data got pushed to the dashboard immediately as long as you have a working internet connection. In case you don't have a working internet connection, on Android, we will put all of the calls in a queue, and when you have a working connection again, we will push them to the dashboard. In terms of recording, as you can see here, I can find the recording that I just recorded. At the moment, we have integration with Salesforce and HubSpot CRM. So if you are using either, you can choose to use our integration so that all of your calls will be logged to your CRM as well. To use our integration, it's very simple. When you go to the dashboard, move to integrations and then choose apps. Over here, you should find Salesforce and HubSpot. Depending on what you are using, you can choose to connect. For example, I will connect to Salesforce and then you will have to log in. So the login is something that everyone in your organization have to do. After the connection has been created, let's say if I make another phone call to the same number that I just made previously, this phone number belongs to a contact on Salesforce. Let's say if I end this call right now, so it will be an unanswered call. When I go to Salesforce, as you can see, I'm looking at Tracy Ryder, and this phone number belongs to her. The outbound call unanswered that I just made has been logged to Salesforce under Tracy Ryder. And if I open it right now, I will see more details of this call, such as on what day, at what time, and how long did it last. As you can see, the call is logged to the contact as well as the account that it's related to. So how did you get started with Salestrail? All you need to do is go to salestrail.io, our homepage, and then at the top, there is a Get Started button, and this will lead you to our sign-up page, and you will get started by email address. It's very important that only one person will start so that that person will create the organization. You can sign up using your email address, and then you should receive a 6-digit code to your email address. Make sure that you check your spam inbox as well. Sometimes our email might end up there.